Sacred Heart High School welcome you all for today's online learning session. Today in Standard 7 in English, we are going to study Unit 2, Subunit 2.1. Our topic for today is From a Railway Carriage. From a railway carriage, the poet Robert Louis Stevenson, he captures the essence of the poem, as it is a record of the poet's journey in a train. The poet communicates the poet's observation and thoughts as he was sitting in a railway carriage. Robert Louis Stevenson was published a book volume of poetry for children, and the book name was A Child's Garden of Verse. Now let's begin to read the poem. From a railway carriage. Faster than ferries, faster than beaches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle. All of the sides of the hills and the plains fly as thick as driving rain. And ever again in the wink of an eye, painted station whistled by. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles, and by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is a green for stringing the daisies. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. Now I am going to explain the poem.
The poet describes the sight that he noticed while traveling in the train. The train is moving faster than the ferries. The train is moving faster than the witches. The speedy movement of the train leaves behind bridges and the houses, fences and ditches. It also leaves behind. The train rushes forward like soldiers who are attacking the enemies in the battlefield. It also leaves behind the green fields where horses and cattle are grazing. The poet Stevenson says that all the hills and the plains were crossed by the train as quick as one drop of rain followed the other in a storm. In a very next moment the train passes. The station looked like painted pictures to the poet from the moving train, and was crossing station with a whistle. So here the difficult words we'll learn is hedges, which means a fence made out of shrubs or bush. Ditches is a long, low place where water can run off from a road or field. Troops are soldiers. Meadow is a grassy field. Cattle means calves and bulls. Driving rain is a heavy rain. Ever again, which means every now and then.
The poet sees a child climbing a steep ground himself with difficulty. The child was collecting blackberries during climbing. He also sees a homeless person who looks at the train with surprise. As the train moves forward, he sees greenery. He even sees some ladies in a common village grassy land were making garlands with daisy flowers. The poet sees a cart moving slowly in the highway. It was full of load, and the cart driver was sitting on the top of the load. He also gets a glimpse of a mill and a river by its side. All these objects appears and disappear so quickly. So the new words here are
Clambers means to climb up or down. Bramble is any bush or vine with sharp thorns. Tramp is an old-fashioned word for a poor person without a home, one who moves around a lot. To gaze is to stare, to look in one direction. Lump along would be to move heavily as a heavy card would be. The poet talks about stringing the daisies, which means making a chain of daisy chain. What message we got from A Railway Carriage by Robert Louis Stevenson is, the railway journey is a source of happiness and great experience. It also provides a chance to see natural beauty which refreshes our mind. Thank you.